Paul, and I'm speaking to you from Spain, which is in Europe. I'm a retired teacher and high school principal from the States, and I'm happy to talk with you here on your summer vacation. The theme of today's lesson is travel and holidays. My videos and presentations and tutorials are geared to the CEFR B2 learner. A B2 learner is somebody who can understand the main ideas in texts and videos on a range of topics and can express their ideas clearly in a spoken way. My presentations are specifically geared towards people who might be taking the PTE, Pearson Test of English, or TOEFL tests, or Cambridge assessments, or even IELTS tests. So you should listen to these presentations and take some of the tips and hints that I give you about how you can be successful in any of these tests, because they're all testing the same thing: your ability to speak clearly, to speak fluently, to speak accurately, and to use lots of different words in your speech. As I said, my presentation and tutorial today is based on holidays and vacations. It's that time of year, it's summer. We shouldn't be studying, we should be having a good time on holiday. Here are a couple of typical questions you might be asked to answer if you were to take any of those tests that I've mentioned. For example, do people have lots of holidays in your country? How would you answer that? Where do they go and what do they do? Where did you go on your last vacation? Where did you go on vacation when you were a child? And where would you like to go to in the future? These are all questions that an examiner might ask you. So how would you answer those questions?